Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a monkey, a jungle monkey, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a circle. Do the best you can on circles. Circles are kind of tricky sometimes. I've had a lot of practice, but they do take a lot of practice to get really good at drawing circles. The next thing that we're going to do is put a face inside of our monkey. So we're going to create a line that looks like this, that closes up at the top. It's almost like a heart shape, but without the pointy bottom. The next thing that we're going to do is create a face for a monkey. So coming about halfway down, you're going to make some eyes, wide set, and then a nose, which will be just some lines, some nostrils, and a nice wide smile. And don't forget your eyebrows. If you'd like to make a different type of a face, go ahead and do that. The next thing that we're going to do is make some ears coming out of the side of his head, and maybe even some little hairs sticking out on the top. For our monkey's body, we're just going to make a shape that looks like this. It's almost like an upside down letter C, and a circle in the middle for his tummy. For his arms and his legs, what I like to do is just make some lines that are doubled up, and for his hands, just a little circle. So line, line, circle. Line, line, circle, and line, line, circle. I think in this hand right here, I'm going to make a banana because I know that monkeys really like to eat bananas. In this hand, we are going to show that our monkey is hanging from a vine. So we're going to have a vine coming out and coming down, passing through the hand, and then going off the piece of paper. You don't have to do this part, but I just think it's a lot of fun. I'm going to add some leaves, which are just curved lines, to my vine, and maybe even a few berries might be fun for a little bit more detail and color. And then down below, I think I'm going to just add some foliage like this, and basically what these are just lines. They're curved that hook together, and they represent leaves and trees. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.